Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I thought I'd show you how I doctor up a jar of Del Grosso meat flavored spaghetti sauce. There's only a few ingredients that I use, but it really changes the taste. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what I use is a pound to a pound and a half of ground meat, the jar of Del Grosso spaghetti sauce, meat flavored, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some tomato sauce, tomato paste, sugar, in my case Splenda, some water, and whatever pasta you're going to use. Of course, my husband's his favorite is rigatoni, so that's what we're making. The first thing I'm going to do is brown the ground meat with the onion and garlic powder. And I'm going to add a little water to get it cooking. Okay, I've got the ground meat in the pot, and I'm going to put this on a medium to low flame, because for some reason cooking with water and a low flame makes the ground meat break up really well. And I really don't like the ground meat looking like little meatballs. Okay, and a little garlic powder. You do this to taste. I never measure. And I'm just going to stir this up. And I'm going to add more water if I need it. But you can see how that's breaking up already. I mean, there's no big chunks. And this is the way it's going to cook, as long as you stir it and make sure there's water in there. And once this is brown, then I'll be adding the other items. So we'll be back. Okay, the ground meat is brown, and you can see how tiny the pieces are. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the tomato paste. Always the dry ingredients first. Get that mixed in very well. This is actually my mother-in-law's recipe. My husband has been eating this like this for as long as he can remember. So of course I make it the same way. Now tomato sauce. And I'm going to fill this tomato sauce can with water. Can of spaghetti sauce. And Del Grosso is the only thing that he likes, because it has absolutely no chunks of anything in it, and he really does not like chunks. So I'm going to add the water from the tomato sauce can. Into the spaghetti jar and give it a good shake to get all that sauce out of the jar. Stir this up. And this is the part that actually had me, I don't know, it was hard for me to eat it like this at first, and now it's hard to eat it without. Sugar. Stir that up real well, and I'm going to let this simmer until all the flavors gel. And while that's simmering, I'm going to get the rigatoni cooking. That's 1 pound of rigatoni. And this says to cook it 13 to 15 minutes. I always let it go 16. Because for some reason, rigatoni never seems to taste done unless you go a minute longer. So, we'll be back. Okay, there it is all done. And you can see the meat sauce in there, but it has no big chunks of veggies, which, like I said, my husband can't stand. And doctoring it up was pretty easy. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.